Good morning. Let me introduce our company, RB Sanchez PME Consultants and Associates Incorporated. I am Engineer Rosendo Sanchez. I am the owner and managing principal of that company. Our company was founded in 2001, a Filipino 100% owned company. It started as an engineering design services, focusing on air conditioning and chillers. It has since grown for the past 20 years into a large or medium-large company, corporation, which now deals not only with air conditioning, but operation, maintenance, design, testing and commissioning, computerized fluid dynamics, troubleshooting and testing, metrics, and even data and artificial intelligence. I am proud that the company has accomplished so much for the past 20 years. It's not only because of me, but because of my great team. The teamwork that we have. We believe in the principles of teamwork, continuous learning, and always stretching the envelope. Plus, we always go for good client satisfaction, and you will see in our records, in the 20-year history, that most major clients are always repeat customers with us. That is the ultimate proof of our service, our value, and our competitiveness. So join our company in accomplishing your goals of value-added advantage to your company in any aspect you may have in mechanical engineering. We are now up to the level of multidisciplinary project management, specialized skills. Like now, we have sewage treatment, sludge disposal, big scale projects, up to 2,000 metric tons per day. So we need environmentalists, biologists, CFD, computerized fluid dynamics, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and so on and so forth. We're like a hodgepodge of a good teamwork from various specialties in the engineering and sciences department. In short, that is our company, RB Sanchez Corporation. We hope you get in touch with us. And again, we wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.